Hi, my name is Louis Marandola, and this is my revised Week 1 discussion on how to simplify exponents. The equation I was given was x squared y to the negative fourth times x to the third y squared. Since they have the same base of xy, we can add the exponents, giving us 5 and negative 2. But since we can't have negative exponents, we must go further. We can treat y to the negative second as 1 over y to the second, which then gives us x to the fifth over 1 times 1 over y to the second, giving us a final answer of x to the fifth, y to the second. Thank you.